All right, welcome to assembly video number 2 for your Popeye chairs. We're going to start with leg assemblies that we showed you in the first video. And so this is the first leg, and what we want to make sure we do is get the angles on the bottom so that so that the legs are angling in. And then we put that down like that, and then we use this piece to tie them together. And you're gonna match up the square to the square and the O to the O, and they just go simple as that. Goes right in there like that. And then there's these three screw holes, and this is where we're gonna use the 1 1/4 inch screws. And you just drop them in, screw them down, and repeat 3 on each side of this. And then when you get that done, you'll pull the other leg up and do the exact same thing. And then we will move on to the how to put the bottom brace on. So we're going to pause here, and then when we come back, we'll be ready for that.